हेलो व्यूअर्स, अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम बैक टू रिफ्लक्स। स्वागत है आप लोगों का फिर से एक नए वीडियो पर। इस प्लेलिस्ट में या सीरीज़ में इसका नाम है गेट PYQ सॉल्यूशंस। और इस बार इस वीडियो में आज मैं गेट 2024 इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग का पावर सिस्टम सब्जेक्ट से क्वेश्चंस का सोल्यूशन देने वाला हूँ। आई एम गोइंग टू प्रोवाइड द डिटेल्ड सॉल्यूशंस टू ऑल द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ गेट 2024 EE इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग पावर सिस्टम्स। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड प्लीज वॉच टिल द एंड फॉर proper details and solution of each and every question. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Let's start with the first question, which is the question number 19 in the master question paper released by ISC Bangalore, which is as follows. The question was like, question number 19, single line diagram of a power system is given. सिंगल लाइन डायग्राम दिया हुआ है पावर सिस्टम का, जो कि कुछ इस प्रकार है. जनरेटर इज देयर, बस इज कनेक्टेड टू जनरेटर. Okay, so this is the single line diagram given. There are 4 branches B1, B2, B3, B4, and at each bus there is a load of I drawn. So it is given that branches B1, B2, B3, B4 have impedances 4Z, Z, 2Z and 4Z per unit respectively. Okay, something like this is given, and it's also given Z equal to R plus JX, where R and X are positive, strictly positive. Has to be because they are impedances, of course. And it is given that the network is to operate with minimum loss. So network is to operate with minimum loss. Branch that should be opened is branch that should be opened. The options are A B1, B B2, C B3 and D B4. Okay, so let's start with the solution. Okay, so as the load, total load current drawn by the 3 buses is I plus I plus I, is 3I, so generator must be delivering 3I, right? Now let's find out or calculate the losses one by one by opening each of the branches. So open B1, copper loss is how much? Let's open B1. So the entire current will flow through like this, 3I, 2I, I. So total copper loss is how much? 3I into resistance of B2. Resistance of B2 is what? Z. Z is the impedance, so resistance is R. So 3I whole square into resistance of B2, which is R. Z, so R. Next, 2i times 2i whole square times resistance of b4 I square r. So 2i whole square times resistance of b4. 2i whole square times resistance of b4 is what? 4z. 4z means 4r. Next, resistance of I square times resistance of b3. Resistance of b3 is what? 2z. 2z is the impedance, so resistance is 2 into r. So how much? 9 plus 4 into 4, that is 16. Yeah, okay. 9 plus 4 into 4, 16, that is 25. 25 plus 2 is 27 I square. Now let's open the next branch, which is B2. So copper loss is how much? Let's join this back. Okay. So entire current will flow through this B1 if you open B2, applying KCL at this bus. So the current now will be 3i minus I, 2i minus I. So I. So copper loss will be how much? 3i whole square times resistance of B1. So what? 4. Z is the impedance. So resistance is 4 into R. Next, 2i square resistance of B3. 2i whole square times resistance of B3 is what? 2Z. That means 2R. And another one is I square times the resistance of B4 is what? 4Z. 4Z means 4R. So it is 9 into 4. That is 36. 36 plus 4 into 2. That is 44. Plus 4. That is 48. Now let's open the next one, which is B3. Now let's join B2 back again. Okay. Let's open B3. We open B3. This current will become I. This current will become 2I. Okay. And this current direction, this current will change. Simply reverse. I. So now the copper loss is how much? Let's calculate. कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं. आसान है वैसे तो कैलकुलेट क्या हो जाएगा? Let's do it in this way. So I square times resistance of B1 is how much? 4Z, that is 4R, plus 2I whole square times resistance of B2. B2 is how much? Z, that is R. Plus I square times resistance of B4 is how much? 4Z, that is 4 into R. So how much? 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. Now let's know the last part, is opening B4. If you open B4, the copper loss will be how much? Let's join B3 back again. B3 को फिर जोड़ देते हैं. B4 को खोल देते हैं, ठीक है ना? तो अब क्या होगा? इधर करंट I फ्लो करेगा, इधर फ्लो करेगा 2I, इधर फ्लो करेगा I. ठीक है, कुछ इस प्रकार होगा. Something like this. Okay, so 2I whole square times resistance of B1 is how much? 4 into Z, is 4R, plus the I square times resistance of B3 is how much? I square times 2Z, that is 2R. And for B2 it will be I square times resistance of B2, which is what? Z, that is R. So it will be 2I, that is 16 plus 218 plus 1, 19. सो वी कैन सी अमंग दिस 4 ऑप्शंस, इन चारों में से सबसे छोटा जो है मिनिमम लॉस होगा ये. सो द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन विल बी सी. इट इज B3. B3 ब्रांच इज ओपन, द नेटवर्क विल ऑपरेट विथ मिनिमम लॉस. मिनिमम लॉस के साथ ऑपरेट करेगा अगर B3 को ओपन करें. सो बिट ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन, एक्चुअली बिट कैलकुलेटिव है. अगर 2 मार्क्स में पूछा जाना चाहिए था ये, 2 मार्क्स, बट anyway it's their choice how much marks they